Meet Chef Joshua DeCosta from Goa.
Hi, I'm Joshua. I'm from Goa. I'm 29 years old and I'm waiting and I'm roaring to get back into the kitchen and I get back and become a chef again.
Hi,
Hi,
how
chef.
are you?
How are you?
doing? Good to see you. How does it feel?
So many emotions.
Really?
It's been 2.5 years. I was helping another chef. While I was helping her, I tried to lift something very heavy in a very wrong manner and I tore my L4, L5 disc. Couldn't step back in the kitchen anymore.
Chef Vicky, चलिए देखते हैं Chef Joshua की amazing recipes.
My culinary forte is Indian food. It's so vast. There are so many things I'm waiting to learn and wanting to learn and taking Indian food to the next level. If I get back here, I bring back the excitement. I get back into the kitchen again.
I'm glad that you haven't lost your will to work in the kitchen.
Thank you so much.
हमारी अगली शेफ सीधा दिल्ली से आ पहुंची हैं हमारे चैलेंज को एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए. मीट शेफ सात्विका हांडा.
I'm Satvika Handa. I'm 28 years old and I'm from Delhi. I've always worked in scratch kitchens and that's also my style of cooking. So I love making things from scratch with seasonal produce.
How are you feeling?
Pretty good.
शेफ विकी, चलिए अब शेफ सात्विका की ब्यूटीफुल अमेजिंग रेसिपीज पे नजर डालते हैं.
I started as an interior design student for 3 years, but it just didn't make me happy. What made me happy was cooking. Whenever I was excited, I was cooking. When I think of food, the only thing that comes to my mind is joy, playfulness, and happiness.
I think we have a fantastic duo of chefs today. Welcome to Chef versus Fridge.
तो हमारे यही वो दो अमेजिंग शेफ्स who will take on the challenge of serial chiller and impress शेफ विकी रत्नाने. और जो कंपीटिंग शेफ करेंगे शेफ को इम्प्रेस वो जीतेंगे a stunning magic convertible bottom mounted refrigerator from Haier.